Just want to give a big shout out and a thank you to Spanky for filming this little video, and for Flipper learning how to put it on YouTube.
In the master bedroom, it looks like the toilet is plumbed for the shop. Your sink. Check it out. I'm going to be the first one to sit in your shower. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. You can sit here and fall asleep. Wow.
It wouldn't fit our fat butts, but...
Yeah, it fit in my butt.
It would not fit our...
I'm the first one to sit in the shower.
It would not fit our butts.
Yeah, try it.
No, it's too small. I wouldn't fit in it.
Okay. Is this the jetted tub?
No way.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, I can have that. I think it says jetted right there.
There's your opening down there. Yep, you're right, Gary. I couldn't get my fat butt out of there.
No way. I think he just got out of there.
Sorry about the mess. I'll get it picked up before I get out of here.
Oh, don't worry. I'm not here for that. Just showing him everything that's been done. For some reason, well, he likes to document. He has a YouTube channel.
Hopefully you can edit my ugly mug out of it.
I won't put you in it. Just your feet.
So it will be a double sink in here.
Yeah.
That's cool. So what's this area again?
Huh?
What's this area again?
That's the master bedroom. So it looks like you got a recessed light here and something there. And this must be your security panel.
Wow, look how beautiful these windows are.
Yeah.
Dude, I want some windows like those.
Well, you need a different house. And here's my bathroom and where my shower will go right here. Oh my gosh, they have another opening over here, Gary. This is cool.
Oh, yeah.
When the cops come, you can just open the hatch and drop down. This is my bedroom. Yeah, it's plenty big. Even, I have a walk-in closet. Thanks for giving me a room, Gary. I appreciate it.
What's that again?
And the office. Hello.
this up here? Oh, lighting.
Still don't have anything in outlets in the floor. Okay, I gotta go outside now. I'll meet you around the garage.
I'll go this way, Dave.
Okay.
I'll go.
Okay, there's your temp power still there. Yes. It's like security wires. You have an outlet or a water line here. There's still no power outlet. I don't know what they're going to do with all this.
Did you see the lighting here?
I'll get it. And this is still here. Yeah, so quite a bit of lumber sitting there. I hate to see it get caught out in the weather.
Starting to rain Saturday.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain Saturday, and I hate to see it out here. This is all 1-inch stuff here.
Yeah, that's nice.
There goes Flipper. Yeah, so
Down the sidewalk.
I got lighting right here. Outside going up to your front door. That's nice. It's coming along.
Once again, thank you very much there, Spanky and Flipper. And I hope that Flipper of yours gets a lot better. You guys are having a rough spell with broken hands and broken feet. So we all wish you well. Thanks again.